What's up guys, it's Amy here. Just a quick video tutorial on how to install your Facebook pixel onto your Groovepages or your Groovefunnels website. This is how you do it. Alright guys, the best way to create your Facebook pixel is through a Facebook Business Manager account. So think of Facebook Business Manager as a company that holds all your Facebook pages, your ad accounts, and your Facebook pixels in one central place. Even if you don't have a company, having a Facebook Business Manager account makes it more secure so that if you decide to bring in an ad agency or someone else to manage your Facebook ads account, you do it via Facebook Business Manager. So to create a Business Manager account, head to business.facebook.com and then click on Create an Account. You will then need to verify yourself through your personal Facebook profile in order to create your Facebook Business Manager account, and then click Login. Now it's going to walk you through all the steps that you need to create a Facebook Business Manager account. And I'm not going to go through that process. It's fairly self-explanatory. And once you've created your Facebook Business Manager account, just sign in and then you will see this page. Select the business manager you just created. In my case, it's Amy Vo Marketing. Then you will see this screen and you want to go and click on Business Settings. In Business Settings, click on Ad Accounts. In order to create a Facebook pixel, you will need to create an ad account. So you will need to click on Add. And in my case, I've already created an ad account, but for you, you will click on Create a New Ad Account. And for a personal Facebook profile, you can only create one ad account in the beginning. As you advertise and spend more money, Facebook will increase your ad account, and this option would be available if you wanted to create additional ad accounts. When you're creating your ad account, under ad account name, just give it the name of your website or the page that you want to promote and then click on Save. Next, you're going to click on Pages. In Pages, you want to click on Add and add in any existing Facebook pages that you have. If you haven't created a page yet, you can click on Create a New Page and go from there. The reason why we do this is because we want to bring in any Facebook pages you have into Facebook Business Manager and manage all your Facebook pages here. So you'll click on Add a Page and then go ahead and enter in the Facebook page name or the URL of that Facebook page and then click on Add Page. Once you added a page, it will appear on the left-hand column. The next step is clicking on People. Now you want to add yourself as an admin, so click on Add and then enter in the personal Facebook profile email that you use here. So I'm just going to type in my email and it won't allow me because I'm already added as an admin, but you would enter in your email. Once you're done, make sure that you click on Admin Access and then press Next in order to give yourself access to all your Facebook pages as well as your ad accounts. So I'm going to close out of that because I've already added myself in and given myself access to pages. Okay, so just to recap, you need to add in ad accounts, your Facebook pages, add yourself as an admin and give yourself assets of your Facebook pages as well as your ad account. Now you can go to Data Sources and then click on Pixels. So to create your Facebook pixel, you'll need to click on Add. Under Pixel Name, give your pixel a name. You might want to name this after your site or your Facebook page name and then enter in your website URL. So I'm just going to type in domain.com and then click Continue. Then it will ask you, are you ready to set up your pixel? So we're going to click on Set up the pixel now. Now there's various ways to install your Facebook pixel depending on what your site is built on. Facebook has partner integrations with WordPress, Shopify, Google Tag Manager. I personally use Google Tag Manager to install my Facebook pixel because I can manage all my tags and my ad tracking codes via Google Tag Manager. To keep this tutorial simple, since we're only installing the Facebook pixel on Groovepages, let's select Manually Add Pixel Code to Website. Then Facebook is going to give you your Facebook pixel code. So you want to click here and that will copy all of that code. Now log into your Groovepages by clicking on Pages. So once you're in Groovepages, in the site that you want to install the Facebook pixel on, head to this hamburger icon, click Site Settings, and then scroll down. Under Code Includes, it says here Include in Head. If you head back to the Business Manager, you can see in the instructions, it says that you should copy this code just above the head tag. So just click copy and then paste it right in here. Click on the check icon, press save, click on this publish drop-down arrow, and then click publish. Now, to verify that your Facebook pixel is installed and firing on your Groovepages website, you want to install the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Once it's installed on your Google Chrome browser, this icon will appear. You want to head back to your website, either refresh or enter in your domain URL. Then click on this icon and you can see here that you have the Facebook Pixel Helper saying that 1 pixel found on this domain. So this means that the Facebook Pixel is now firing and sending data back to Facebook ads. And that's it, guys. Make sure you grab your free sales funnel planning workbook, which guides you through the steps of creating simple yet seriously effective sales funnels that convert leads into sales. The link will be in the description. And as always, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and see ya.